Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn examples of unary operations. So the examples are: find the students having marks greater than 30. So what will be the solution? Solution is sigma, which means that select or selection marks greater than 30, which is the condition or predicate, and student is the table name. So what will be the query? Select all from student, which is the table name, where marks greater than 30. Find the students who are from Multan and class is XYZ. So think about the solution. What is the solution? The solution is here. Sigma city is equal to Multan and class is equal to XYZ and table name is student. So what will be the query? Select all from student where city is equal to Multan and class is equal to XYZ. Find the names and city of the students. So this is the projection example. So think about it. Select only name column and city column of the students. Pi name city student, which means that select name city from student. Now we are going to implement these examples. So open XAMPP server, select test data database and then open console. Here first perform select all from student is the table name where city is equal to Multan. Control plus enter to execute the query. So student with the city Multan is selected successfully. And you can also select student where city is equal to Multan and class is equal to XYZ. Execute the query. Now the student is selected with the city Multan and class XYZ. So now we are going to implement select name and city. We are going to implement projection operations from table name student. Execute the query. Name and city, two columns are selected successfully. So thank you for watching this video.